takes off like a jet. What is up, everybody? We are back with another
GPS signal is lost.
We're back with another video. We're back in a 2015 S550 Mercedes S-Class. This is the pinnacle of luxury, and I already made a POV video on this car before, but that was during the day. And this car, it really shines at night when everything gets dark, the way all these LEDs light up, the way this interior looks at night. It's completely different than during the day. I think it deserves another video on its own. So we're gonna take a little cruise downtown. Let's go for a ride in this thing. The most beautiful thing is you can change these colors here. I just wanna show you all the different colors of the interior. You got reds, sunset orange. There's so many features in this car. Daylight white. I like that blue. I think we're gonna leave it with the moonlight blue. Gonna put our seat massager on. Activating massage. Okay, I'll put the seatbelt on just so this doesn't beep. And let's hop on the highway. Let's just enjoy this nice smooth ride. S-Class is always silky smooth. The speakers in this car are beyond amazing. I believe these are Burmeister speakers. This one's optioned really well too. This has got the AMG package. It's got the different bumpers. It's got the Zenio diamond white paint. So it's like a nice pearl white. And just these LEDs at night, they just look stunning. And this car is no slouch either. It's a twin turbo, I believe 4.6 V8. Makes like 450, around there, 450 horsepower. Once the turbos spool, you're off. It's like a jet taking off. You got nice little paddle shifters. This car is just packed with features, tons of them. You got the massaging seats. You got heated, cooled seats. The seats on their own have a lot of features. You got Distronic cruise control. Let me turn that on for you. So Distronic, as you can see, it senses the distance in the car in front of us, and it'll automatically brake for us. As you guys can see, it's sensing that car right there, and we're slowing down, and it's gonna keep it slowed down until that car moves out of the way, and then it'll speed back up to your desired speed. So essentially, when you're cruising this thing on a long distance drive, it takes care of a lot of the driving for you. You just have to keep your hands on the wheel, but you don't have to modulate the gas at all. You don't have to really brake, and it works pretty well. It's actually pretty spot on with detecting the distance. Let's turn off the Distronic. It's got the active lane assist. If you want to change lanes and somebody's there in your blind spot, it'll show you a little red triangle. 360 cameras. This thing is just locked and loaded with features. You got nice air suspension. You got different modes: sport mode, comfort mode. You got different shifting modes for the transmission. You got sport mode and economy, I believe. You also have auto start and stop, which that feature I do not really like. It's just the smoothest way to get from A to B. And you hopped out of this car, you don't feel like you've driven any distance whatsoever. You feel relaxed when you get out of this car. It's what it's best at. Got the double pane windows, a lot of noise cancellation. Mercedes-Benz of Chicago right there. We're in the beautiful downtown Chicago. This view never gets old, no matter how long you live here. It's the one beauty about Chicago. This just never gets old. In sport mode, it actually keeps the gear, it keeps the one gear lower. So as soon as you floor it, this thing's super responsive. And it's got a nice punch to it. Stock. I know these things with a small tune, they're actually really fast cars. Stock, they're fast, but with a tune, it just unrestricts that little bit of extra power. I would punch it a little bit, but there's literally, roads are full of traffic and there's
GPS signal is lost.
nowhere for me to floor it here. This car definitely deserved the second video just for this view at night. And that was close to downtown. I figured I would just go through here for a nice little drive. You can't get enough of this view. No matter how many times you come here, it always leaves a lasting impression on you. Could be your 105th time here and it still gives you a nice little wow. This is just a fantastic daily driver. It honestly, it does everything you would want it to and then some. And this is one of those cars where when you get it, you'll keep discovering features that you didn't know this car had for a pretty long time. Like the brake has a nice hold on it. If you stomp on it, like you're sitting at a red light, you stomp on the brake, it'll hold it for you. You let your foot off the brake there. It's got a lot of assist, lane assist, steering assist, some manual shifting, second gear. It's a little bit wet, so this thing likes to wiggle around a little bit, but it pulls really nicely. I'm gonna switch this back into aromatic comfort. Yeah, you got the two different suspension modes. One's going to be a little bit stiffer, one's going to absorb the bumps a little bit better. Getting off here, let's put it into actually sport mode. It's a lot more responsive when you put the transmission into sport mode. There isn't that little bit of a delay. Takes corners really nicely. Takes off like a jet. Literally. It takes off like a jet. When it's the turbo spool, you're just off. You're gone. Look at that beautiful view. That's just stunning. That view never gets old. Never ever gets old, no matter how many times you come here. Alrighty guys, that about concludes this drive. I just wanted to go for a nice little view of downtown, a nice little cruise. Wanted to show you guys what it's like to drive this car at night. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Just hit the subscribe button. There's definitely going to be more videos like this one. Take care guys.